Okay, so when picking out a door for your house, there's a lot of options out there. But we wanted to show you this door that we installed on one of our projects. It's a Panda door made out of Las Vegas, Nevada. It's a little expensive, but we want to show you the good things and the bad things about this product and why we chose it for this project. So this door is a full radius door. So this opening has a curve to it, as you can see. Originally, there were posts on each area, so there was a lot of structural work our team made to even have this be a wide opening area from left to right, so there's no post. So a lot of steel beams up above, a lot of structural work, but all of that was for the sake of having a multi-slide door like this that completely opens up so you can enjoy the more indoor-outdoor feel. So when choosing a door, if you're doing research right now, you know there's bifold doors, multi-slide doors, even pocket doors. This is a multi-slide door that opens from the center. So we worked with Panda Windows and Doors to really design this door. It's as we said, a radius door, but what also makes this super custom is it has radius glass. So the glass itself is actually curved. So when you think about a super custom door like that, it's going to take time to build. You're going to have a long lead time. You're going to have a lot of back and forth with the company as far as design work and work to really even get the shop drawings accurate. And when it gets here, you're going to want to make sure your best crew is on it because you do not want to damage a door like this. Overall, we didn't have any issues with the door when it came and got delivered to us. It was all packaged up very well. As we can see, this is actually metal on the inside and the outside. So it's thermally broke. It meets all the requirements we need for energy rating here in Colorado. And you basically, in order to operate, you just push this down. And you can see when you push that down, the door itself, if you look down here, actually just goes up a little bit and sits on rollers. And then that allows it to open up overall. Then when this opens, grabs this other panel and opens all the way. And then the same on this side. This opens up all the way here. I notice it's not grabbing this second panel. It did when we installed it. Maybe that's something we need to take care of with warranty. And then it's wide open. So what were some of the pros and cons? So overall, I think Panda was a great company to work with the customization of the product. We did a lot of research. The client wanted a radius door with radius glass. Was not very many companies that could do that. However, when you're ordering something super custom, there's a lot of back and forth with a company. And unfortunately on our side, even us as the company and the client, we're going back and forth on some of the details. It took a long time for us to get the order figured out. When we did finally get the order figured out, we put the order in and we were given a lead time. Panda got pretty close to hitting that lead time. It was delayed a little bit, but overall they did deliver an exceptional product. When you're dealing with custom products, I would just say expect that. Expect lead times to sometimes be extended because when you're doing something ultra custom that no one else is doing, it's usually going to take longer. It's been over a year and a half, 2 years since we installed this door. And overall, there aren't very many issues, maybe just one little issue where it's not grabbing that second panel. But I know if we call Panda, they'll stand behind the warranty because they really care about their product. Overall, would I use a Panda window and door product in my home? Yes, I would. I think they're really pushing the limits of what we can do in the industry, which is really why I like their product. Be sure to follow our channel for other product highlights.